Yeah, basically.
Wait, let me interview her. Get off the phone.
Okay. Bye.
Who's Brandon?
No, listen.
Who's
listen,
Eric?
I have a question.
I'm just kidding.
I have a question. What's better? Booty calls or boyfriends?
I've never had either.
I need eye contact.
Christina, where do liars go?
Christina, how many boys have you dated since you've been alive?
Oh my gosh, like, where do liars go? What did I date? I dated Terrence. Who before Terrence?
How many have you rejected?
Why am I answering all your questions?
Oh, damn.
That's what I'm saying. That's a good one, man. Please don't put this on.
Oh, it's going on.
No. Do people actually watch this? Stop recording.
Are you 3-star or 5-star?
10 star.
Silent.
And that's where the video ends.